Alright everyone, I want to talk about the bicarbonate buffer equation here and its effect on blood chemistry. Alright, so we have carbon dioxide and water gives us carbonic acid, H2CO3, which dissociates in water. And you get a hydrogen ion and bicarbonate. Now, equations are always at equilibrium, right? So the more carbon dioxide I have, the more reactants I have, I should say, the more I'm going to have of the products. So if I have an increase in carbon dioxide, I'm going to have more carbonic acid and more bicarbonate with hydrogen ions. Does that make sense? It's going to increase the products if I have more reactants. If I have less reactants, less carbon dioxide, I'm going to have less carbonic acid and less hydrogen ions. Does that make sense? Alright, so hypoventilation. If I'm holding my breath, say, or I like to imagine swimming underwater, that way I'm generating more carbon dioxide by the activity and also not breathing it out. So decreased in breathing, which means less carbon dioxide leaving. If I have less leaving, am I going to have more or less in my body? I'm going to have more, right? Because less is leaving, but I'm still generating carbon dioxide. All right, so increase in carbon dioxide, increase in carbonic acid, increase in bicarbonate and hydrogen ions. What's that going to do to the pH? Well, an increase in hydrogen ions means a decrease in pH. Remember, it's a negative log. Let me write that in here. Negative log. So when hydrogen ions increase, pH decreases. Right? So you can do it at home, just have your hands move in opposite directions. When hydrogen ion concentration decreases, pH increases. Alright, so let's say I'm hyperventilating. What am I doing? I'm breathing in, but I'm also breathing out. And when I'm breathing out, what's happening? I'm getting rid of carbon dioxide, right? So an increase in breathing, think about breathing out in this case, means more carbon dioxide leaving. So if more is leaving, am I going to have more or less in my body? Less, right? So less carbon dioxide would mean less carbonic acid and less hydrogen ions in my blood, less bicarbonate as well. Alright, so less carbon dioxide, a reactant, right, means less products, less hydrogen ions. So a decrease in hydrogen ions means an increase in pH. Because it's at negative log.